Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine inside the house. Okay, it's time to oral time. Come on, sit nicely, fold your arms all of you. First we revise our ta'awuz and tasmiyah. Now take out your PB book and open page number 1. Today we revise our previous question answer 1 till 10. Now read with me, who are we? We are Muslims. Come to the question number 4. What is the name of our religion? Our religion is Islam. Now revise question number 5. Who is Allah? Who is Allah? Allah is our creator and Lord. Come to the question number 6. Where does Allah live? Where does Allah live? Now come to the question number 5. Who is Allah? Allah is our creator and Lord. Come to the question number 6. Where does Allah live? Where does Allah live? Allah lives everywhere. Allah lives everywhere. Come to the question number 7. Who are prophets? Prophets are the messenger of Allah. Who are prophets? Prophets are the messenger of Allah. Question number 8. How many prophets were there? How many prophets were there? Now this is the answer of question. There were 1,24,000 prophets. Now come to the question number 9. Where is the house of Allah on earth? Where is the house of Allah on earth? Khane-e-Kaaba, the house of Allah is in Makkah. Khane-e-Kaaba, the house of Allah is in Makkah. Okay, now we revise last question. Question number 10. Who created us? Allah created us. Okay, now you revise and learn these questions. Okay, it's time to work time. Come on, take out your workbook 2 and open page number 438. What you have to do from this page? Beginning sounds. आपने क्या करना है? There are so many pictures are given here and letters and sounds are written here. You just match the picture with the correct letter and sounds. For example, first are blocks. What these are? Blocks. Lemon, glue, mushrooms. अब आपने इनको इनके लेटर से मैच करना है. फर्स्ट इज ब्लॉक्स. ब्लॉक्स में आपको कौन सा लेटर के बाद साउंड आ रहा है? ब. ब. ब्लॉक्स. वेयर इज लेटर बी एंड साउंड ब? वेयर इज लेटर बी एंड साउंड ब? इज दिस लेटर बी? नो. कम ऑन, टेल मी. नाउ यू नो ऑल लेटर्स एंड साउंड्स. इज दिस बी? यस. बी. ब. बी. ब. ब्लॉक्स. अब आप क्या करेंगे? यू ट्रेस draw a line and match together like this. One by one आप तमाम पिक्चर्स को रीड करेंगे, देन उनको दिए गए उनके साउंड्स और लेटर से मैच करेंगे. नाउ कम टू द पेज नंबर 439. What you have to do? There are letter in sequence way. What you have to do? First you read the letters. A. What's come after A? A के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? B. It means we match A dot with the B dot like this. इसी तरह वन बाय वन अल्फ़ाबेटली आप इन डॉट्स को मैच करेंगे. देन आप फाइंड करेंगे कि आपको कौन सी पिक्चर शो हो रही है. ओके, देन यू कलर दिस पिक्चर. नाउ टर्न एंड ओपन पेज नंबर 445. What you have to do from this page? Missing letters. Okay, there is a blanks. Write the letter that comes first. Okay, अब आपने क्या करना है? आपने blanks को fill करना है. Okay, now let read with me. Which letter is this? Do you recognize which letter is this? B. And which letter is this? C. Okay. Do you know what before come? B. B से पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है? Come on, let's sing a song. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. अब आप ये सॉन्ग जब आपको कोई भी अल्फ़ाबेट आपका मिसिंग हो जाए तो आप इस सॉन्ग को पढ़ेंगे, देन आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कौन से लेटर के पास कौन सा लेटर आता है. What's come before B? A. B. It means we write here A. How we write A? Like this. First we make up, down, touch the bottom, go up again, down, 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 touch the bottom, then cross the line. Which letter is this? A. A. B. C. Okay, there's one more blank. Do you know which letter is this? R. What's come before R? R से पहले जो लेटर आता है वो आपने ये राइट करना है. ओके, नाउ कम डाउन, राइट द लेटर दैट्स कम नेक्स्ट. अभी जो हमने लेटर्स फिल किए थे वो बिफोर थे, मतलब पहले क्या आता है. अब हम करेंगे आफ्टर. E. F. Okay, now read Sing the song. A B C D E F G. F के बाद कौन सा लेटर आ रहा है? G. आप यहाँ पर G रीड करेंगे. इस तरह F I J K L O M O P. L M N O P. यहाँ पे आप लेटर P राइट करेंगे. ओके, इसी तरह आप सॉन्ग को सिंग करेंगे. देन आपको पता चल जाएगा व्हाट्स कम आफ्टर दीज लेटर्स. ओके, नाउ टर्न एंड ओपन पेज नंबर 446. दिस इज okay, missing letters. Okay, complete the alphabets by writing in the missing letters. अब आपने क्या करना है? सेम वही पैटर्न को आपने फॉलो करना है और सॉन्ग को आप सिंग करेंगे. देन आपको पता चल जाएगा व्हाट्स कम आफ्टर एंड व्हाट्स कम बिफोर. Start our copy work. Come on, take out your math copy and open this page. These pages are prepared in your math copy. Okay. Today we try to write a number 7. Today we try to write a number 7. Which number is this? 7. 7 is like on 7up. 7 is like on 7up. How we write? Look here. देखिए आपकी टीचर ने यहाँ डॉट्स मेंशन किए हैं. Follow the dot. Put the pencil from the dot. Then make a straight line. Come down. Touch the bottom. Okay. इस लाइन से डाउन आपको नहीं जाना है. Which number we write today? 7. And you try to draw a quantity from this side. Suppose last time हमने lollipops बनाए थे. Today we try to draw a balloon. Do you like balloons? If you like flowers, you can draw flowers. I like balloons. That's why I try to draw a balloon like this. 1, 2. Count with me. 3, 4. Oh, I forget the quantity. Let's count again. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much we need more? 6, 7. We try to draw more. Okay, like this. Okay, now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many balloons are here? 7. It means that its number is 7. 7 is like on 7up. Okay, now come and turn to next page. Yes, which number is this? What come after 7? 8. Which number is this? 8. Which number is this? 8. What is the formation of number 8? It is like a sleeping snack with 2 eggs. 8 is like a sleeping snack with 2 eggs. Which number is this? 8. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, how we write it? अगर आप make a 1 circle, then make a 2 circle. इस तरह से भी आप 8 को राइट कर सकते हैं. वरना राइट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 8 इज लाइक दिस, स्लिपिंग स्नैक. ओके, लाइन से डाउन आपको नहीं जाना है. वी ट्राई टू राइट नंबर 8 इन दिस स्क्वायर. ओके, वी नेवर गो डाउन. ओके, नाउ वी ट्राई द क्वांटिटीज हियर. लास्ट हमने बैलून ड्रॉ किया है. व्हाट आई ट्राई टू ड्रॉ हियर? ओके, आई ट्राई टू ड्रॉ अ ट्रायंगल. Can you recognize triangle shape? Oh, we try to draw a ball, small ball, like this. Do you like ball? Bring your bat and bring your ball. Yes. Do you like it? Ball. Now we try to draw a ball. आप इसे coin से भी बना सकते हैं. Do you have a coin? Okay. Now like this. Count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! Now I completed. Come on, count with me again. 1, 2. Okay, now I try to write a small numbers from these balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which number we try to write today? 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. It's time to reading time. Okay, today we revise our previous reader. Which reader is this? Come on, read the caption. This is your first reader. Who is it? Who is it? What's the name of this book title? Who is it? Now turn and open page number 1. आज हम इसे complete read करेंगे क्योंकि हम इसे पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. Now read the words. Who is it? Now turn and open page number 2. Which shadow is this? Can you recognize which one? Biff and Chip and Chip. Now turn and open page number 4 and 5. Yes. Who is she? Mum. Mum. Now come to the page number 5 and Kipper and Kipper. Now turn and open page number 6 and 7. Yes. Yes. ये तो आप सबको पता है. Come on, tell me. Floppy. Floppy. Now come to the next page. And a space man. And a space man. Now turn. This is your last page. No. It's dad. No. It's dad. अब आपने इस पूरी रीडर को दोबारा रीड करना है, देन वर्ड्स को रिकग्नाइज करना है.